How many of you watched that video? No, Sujan, only Sujan. Whatever remaining people, no. Only 2 people are. 41 understand. I think I sent you a link in the group, right? I will check. Put into BNG. Then why? Only 40. Yes, no. Yeah, do you have any doubts? Something you said yesterday, Vijay, I think I didn't get actually about the video. I think in the video they discussed about 1.2, right? No problem. They will give the overview. We'll discuss about detail. Okay, no problem. Right, Nana? So, how many of you joined from Practical app? MRMS children. Those who joined from Practical app, they only get the attendance, Nana. They only get the attendance officially. Right. Only 19 members. What about remaining people? I think 29 members are there. 29 members are there in my classroom. What about the remaining children? Okay, we'll see. Right now, the topic. Yes, Nana, can you see the screen? Euclid's algorithm to find HCF of 900 to 70 and remaining. How do you find them? We discussed about Euclid and lemma, right, in the previous class. All of you start your videos. Start your videos, all of you. Start your videos. Everything is recording here. Right. What is the question? 1.1. Use Euclid algorithm to find HCF of 900 and 270. First question. Second one, 196 and 38,220. And third one, 1651 and 2032. We see the I will explain second one. You can find the remaining two. Get a second one. HCF of what is the question? Second one. 196 is equals 196 comma 8. So what we do? We have to arrange that in a Euclid algorithm, right? Euclid division lemma form. So this is a rough work, Nana. You don't need to write this in your answer. Just for the sake of understanding only, I'm giving here. Okay. 196. So 196 times 20 is try with 100. What you get? 19600. When you have more possibility, right? Have more possibility. Shivan, yes, now unmute. And what to do? You raise your hand. 9600. 19600 is nothing but 0, 0, 12, 1, 9, 18, 19, 39,200. It means almost 196 200 is nothing but 39,200, right? So we shall take lesser than that. It means try for 196 into 195. Take here 196 into 195. Take 9 6 are 30, 9 5 are 45 plus 3. 38, 5 1 are 5 and 9. 9 6 are 54, 4 here, 5 here, 9 9 is 81, 86, here. The 9 1 are 9, it is 17. Again 196, 0 2, the 10, 22, 9 9 18, and 1. Yeah, 38220 we got, right? So 196, 195, we got here 38,220. Remainder is 0, right? So if the remainder is 0, the divisor is called HCF of the given number. So this we shall arrange in a Euclid division lemma form. So what is the dividend? What is the division lemma? A is equals to BQ plus R, right? So 38220 is equals to 196 into 195 plus 0. This is the HCF of HCF of 196 comma 38,220 is 196. Virendra, what is that, Nana? Unmute.
Sir?
You raised your hand. I think today you have social class, right? At 8:20. Once we'll check. Yeah, okay. Yes, Nana, I'm sending you the link for social class. You have social class, Nana, today. Is with that after. Right. Any doubts in this question, Nana? Remaining two problems. Take that homework. I told you yesterday only. When you are recording, yeah, write your date and the day and the homework number and time. You must mention all those things in your homework column. Okay. Next, second question. Second bit. Yeah. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Right? How do you solve that, Nana? Today we discussed, right? In the example problem, we discussed that thing. Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 5, right? What is A? Let A be an integer, or sorry, given an odd positive integer, right? AB is an odd positive integer. It's an odd positive integer. Okay. See, what is given B? 6, right? B is 6. Okay. Let us write lemma. What is lemma we have? A is equals to PQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. So where B is equals to 6, then if you apply that, A is equals to 6Q plus R, 0 less than or less than 6. Right? Did you get this up to here? Now, substitute this. What are the possible R values, Nana? Possible R values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the R is lesser than B as well, which is lesser greater than or equal to 0 or equal to 0. Means the possible R values lies between 0 and 6, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the possible R values. So if you see that we can substitute in this A is equals to 6Q plus R, then we get A is equals to 6Q plus 0, A is equals to 6Q plus 1, and A is equals to 6Q plus 2, A is equals to 6Q plus 3, A is equals to 6Q plus 4, A is equals to 6Q plus 5 we get, isn't it? Right? So, odd positive integers. What are odd positive integers, Nana? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, so on, right? Okay, this is a rough work, Nana. Rough work. Don't write in the answer. Okay. See, if you take this 1 and 5 and 7 here, and 9, 13, and 11 here. Divide with 6. What is the remainder here? 1 itself. 6. What is the remainder here? 5 itself. 6. 1s are 6, remainder is 1. And 6 1s are 6, remainder is 3. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, remainder is 1. And 6 1s are 6, remainder is 5. Will continuously going on, right? Take any number. Suppose if you take 27, is also odd positive integer. Divide with 6. 6 4s are 24, remainder is 3, right? See, if you observe, here you are getting 1, 3, 5 are the reminders in every time, right? Cycle is repeating. What are the cycle? Either it is 1 is a reminder, or 3 is a reminder, or 5 is the reminder. Okay. Can I write like this is in the form of 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 5, 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 5, 6Q plus 3. Where A is equals to odd positive integer, right? So where A is equals to this, isn't it? Can you write? Yes, no. Okay. Is it clear? Do you have any doubts? Yes, no. Any doubts? You can raise your hands. Kashif Farman, you raised your hand. Is there any doubts? No, right? Okay, we'll conclude. Aditya, don't chit chat. Right. See, now we are getting only 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 5, 6 cube plus 3 of forms, I mean patterns only, right? So therefore, what we can write? What we can write? Therefore, if we divide odd positive integers by 6, we get reminders 1, 3, 5. That is as per Euclid lemma, the odd positive integer is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, and 6 cube plus 5. Hence proved. Right? Please take the screenshots from first paper onwards. This is the first page of today's class. Take that. Next paper, second page. Important question, Nana. Important 8 marks questions. Exercise 1.1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 3 questions, one must be comes in your final exam. Third paper, expect a long question. Very simple. This is rough work, Nana. For the understanding purpose, I have given this. Okay, don't confuse. Don't write in your pair notes. Write with pencil, which big margin set. Okay, you can take with pencil, but don't write. Don't include this in the answers. The last page. Okay, right. Yes. The next question. You get the question, Anna. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Very important. Third and fourth are very important, Anna. Once we'll see. Understand the question first. See that with that lens first. See, no. Square of any positive integer. Positive integer is nothing but 1, question number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are the positive integers, right? Square of positive integers is nothing but 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, so on, right? These are the squares, right? Positive integer squares, these are all okay. Right now, what becomes 1 into 1? nothing but 1. 2 square nothing but 4. 3 square nothing but 9. So 4 square is nothing but 16. 5 square 25. Next one 36. Next one 49. Next one 64. Continuous. Okay, these are the positive. Square of any positive integers is in the form of 3p and 3p plus 1 we have to show. These are the perfect square numbers, right? Isn't it? Now, if you divide these numbers, with 3, you must get the remainder either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. Okay, because we need to show them in the 3p and 3p plus 1, right? Is it right? 3p and 3p plus 1. Just take down solution. Given a is equals to any positive integer, any positive integer, okay. B is equals to 3 is given, and okay. The lemma, what is the lemma we have? A is equals to B cube plus R, where 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Okay, so substitute the values in this, that becomes 3 cube plus R, and given, okay, no problem, 3 cube plus R. So 0 less than or less than 3, isn't it? Then what are the possible R values? 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 2. And make this as equation 1. So next, we need a square of any positive integer, right? So therefore, squaring on both sides. What is that? A square is equals to 3q plus R whole square. And where R is equals to 0, 1, 2. Take that A square is equals to 3q plus R whole square. Okay, let's extend that. A square is nothing but, what is A square now? A is any positive integer, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, so on, right? Any positive integer, isn't it? So square is nothing but 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, so on we get, right? Isn't it? Yeah, okay. Now, what is the 3q plus R whole square, right? 3q plus R whole square. Apply here A plus B whole square formula. What is that formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Apply that formula here. It becomes 3q plus whole square plus R square plus 2 into 3q into R. What becomes now? 3q into 3q plus R square plus 6qr. 6qr we get. Now this becomes 9q square plus 6qr plus R square. Arrange in order. Okay. This is equation 2. Right? Yes, no. Up to here it is okay. We'll see the next one, the next class, because it may take some time to get. Nothing. Just if you want to try, you can try now. Substitute in place of R is equals to 0, you will get one form. R is equals to 1, you will get one another form. R is equals to 2, you will get one final form, right? In this equation, second equation, you have to set R is equals to 0 and 1 and 2. Okay, right? Okay, you will get the answer. Vijay, mute now.
Yes, sir. Here 2 into 3q and R, sir. 6q and 2R, sir. We get here. You wrote only 6QR.
6QR I have written.
Yes, sir. 6q into
2 into 3, 6q. 6 q into R, QR.
Okay.
Anybody? Take the screenshots now. This is third problem. This one. Next. Important problem, a very, very important problem. Maximum time repeated. 8 marks question. Still we have answer, Nana. It's not completed. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay. You have 8:20 social class at 8:20, Nana. I sent you already in the link in the group. Sent you link in the group, okay? Right. Start your videos, all of you. Complete blank screen I'm seeing here. Everyone turn off these videos. Arjuman, क्या है वो? ऐसे आते क्लास की? Okay, Nana. Bye, all of you. And today you may not have a bioscience class now, okay? Is in leave today.